Quddiem l-isfida tal-immigrazzjoni illegali, Malta tista' tieħu rwol ta' tmexxija importanti. Iżda żgur li ma tistax tiffaċċja din l-isfida waħedha. Kliem Deodat Maharaj, id-Deputat Segretarju Ġenerali tal-Commonwealth, li tul il-jum tal-Erba' kien għal żjara f'Malta.
Malta is an absolutely important place because I spoke about the international community addressing this issue as an international problem. The fact is that Malta has assumed and will continue to take an important leadership role in the global community.
Maharaj esprima sens ta' dieqa għal dawk li jinsabu fiċ-ċentru ta' din il-kriżi, filwaqt li żied li dawn in-nies għandhom bżonn għażliet oħra anki f'pajjiżhom.
So it's unfortunate that due to conflict that people are being driven away from their heritage and from their homes. I think it is understandable what is happening, but to my mind, the response has to be international. It cannot be the responsibility of one particular jurisdiction to deal with this crisis.
Id-Deputat Segretarju Ġenerali tal-Commonwealth enfasizza l-bżonn ta' komunità internazzjonali iffurmata minn pajjiżi differenti. Dan biex jingħata l-appoġġ meħtieġ fil-postijiet li minnhom l-aktar jitilqu immigranti, kif ukoll fil-ibħra li fihom tant immigranti jitilfu ħajjithom. Fid-dawn li pajjiżna se jospita laqgħa tal-mexxija tal-Commonwealth f'Novembru li ġej u se jkollu l-Presidenza tal-Unjoni Ewropea f'Jannar ta' sentejn oħra, Maharaj tenna li rwol importanti li tilab Malta.
So I think Malta is in an absolutely critical position to play an important leadership role and geographically can speak with depth and knowledge about the challenges and issues.